try this again. Having problems with my Osmo. I gotta straighten out. FAFO here for those of you that don't know who I am or never watched the videos. And today we're heading out to Splash RV Resort. Just checking my tire pressure. Make sure everything is okay in line. Just gotta hook up my electrical. Check out my trucks. And we should be good to go. I'm gonna get some water added to my list because it's so hot out here. You have to take some water. Make sure you always have water with you, whether it be frozen or regular. You go grab that, put it in the trailer. As you can see, I get 14 miles a gallon, did 181 miles on the trip so far. And I just stopped to refuel up, so let me hit my gas. As you can see, there's somebody else, another RV. So it is a popular place to get gas. Probably be about $40 to $60. No, $50 to $60. Okay, give me a second, we'll find out. Alright, we're at $47. Still going. $52. Still going. $57. Still going. And I wasn't even empty. $62. Still going. Alright, about $65. Just arrived to our destination. Splash RV Resort. pedestal is not working the way it's supposed to. That's why you want a power watchdog. I was getting an E1 error code. They're gonna send somebody out here to check it now. Here's what happens. You get an E1 error code. We'll see what they say when they come out here. When you play with it, it kind of wiggles and it comes out of place. As you can see, the plug is burnt. See it right there? You don't want to plug it into there. You're gonna have to come and switch out the plug. So we'll just wait for that now. Go ahead and close this up after I put down the blocks. There's no bug in here. There's a towel. Head down to the pool area. Like I said, we're in C10 right behind us, and if you look right in front of us, we are like 2 RV spots away from the, I call it the clubhouse. So it's a pretty good spot. We're right here where everything is. We got a little playground there for the kids. They have a little cart here that goes out. They do deliver food to your RV if you want them to. Public parking, or if you don't want to walk from your RV, you can drive here. See what they got here in this cart. As it goes around, they serve drinks. Mimosa, tequila, sereno, Ventillo, Paloma, Bloody Mary, pickle vodka. That's pretty cool. So I guess at nighttime you can get some drinks. Go ahead and head inside. We're hungry. But they got crispy chicken, Cajun fried chicken. Let's go in there. Let's see what they got here. This one's not open yet. That's the liquor in the pizzeria. Let's see what they got over here. Don't own the pool area. Let's see how this is. I'll go over here to one of the trucks. They have a menu here. And we'll see what I'm gonna get a drink. I'll show you real quick what they have. Some of the How's it going? All right. Here's what we ordered: some fries, battered beer butter fries, and buffalo ranch chicken. Looks pretty good. We're gonna go get something to eat, and where we're going, stay tuned and find out, because I ain't cooking.
I have a new teacher. She's new to the school.
pretty good. Frozen margarita?
Two for one? Or,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Frozen?
With
Yeah.
salt? Are we doing 2 and 2 or are we going to split it?
I'll split it for now, yeah.
Se fue rápido. Pero mira, no volvió.
Menu.
¿Oíste? No volvió la de la cocina. Y yo quería ver adentro.
It's hard to see the menu, but
Tequila. Están bien muertos.
Gonna be hot.
thank you.
You got the joy.
Chimichanga. Let's see what this tastes like. Looks good. Smells good. Nice big portion. Big portion. That's really good. See what the steak tastes like. That's good. Everything is good. Highly recommend. So if you're in the area, you stay at Splash RV Park. Stop by El Paso Mexican Grill. This is what's left over. Food was real good. Drinks are good. Everything's good. So if you stop by Splash RV, make sure you come to El Paso Mexican Grill. There's a lot of things to do at this RV park and Splash RV here. Can't complain. But the best thing about it is the pool area, the drinks, and activities for the kids. So we'll take a walk back to our camper. As you can see here, our casita.